Fluent English Practice.
Hello everyone. My name is Emma. Welcome back to Fluent English Practice. Today, I'm going to share my daily routine with you. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can follow every sentence easily. You will learn simple words and useful phrases that people use in everyday life. This video is great for practicing your English listening and speaking skills. Are you ready? Let's begin. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. My alarm rings softly next to my bed. I open my eyes slowly and look at the ceiling. Sometimes I feel sleepy and want to stay in bed longer, but I know I need to get up and start my day. I sit on my bed for a minute. I stretch my arms and legs. I take a deep breath and stand up slowly. Then I walk to the bathroom. In the bathroom, I brush my teeth carefully. I move the toothbrush slowly. Then I wash my face with cold water. The water feels fresh. It helps me wake up and feel more active. I look at myself in the mirror and smile gently. Sometimes I take a shower if I have enough time. The warm water helps my body relax. After that, I dry my face and hands. Next, I go to the kitchen. The kitchen is quiet in the morning. I start preparing my breakfast. I like simple and healthy food. Most days, I eat toast with butter and eggs. Sometimes I eat cereal or fruit. I always drink a hot cup of tea. Tea is my favorite morning drink. I like green tea because it is light and makes me feel calm. While I eat breakfast, I listen to soft music. Sometimes I check my phone and read messages. I also check the weather to see how the day will be. After breakfast, I go back to my room. I start getting ready for the day. First, I choose my clothes. I like comfortable clothes. I usually wear jeans and a simple shirt. If it is cold, I wear a sweater or jacket. Then I brush my hair and look in the mirror again. I check my bag carefully. I need my phone, keys, and wallet. Everything is ready. Now I can leave the house. I put on my shoes and walk outside. The air feels fresh in the morning. I enjoy the quiet streets. I walk to the bus stop near my home. It takes about 5 minutes. I see other people waiting. They look busy and focused. Some people are going to work, some are going to school. I usually take the bus to work. The bus arrives on time. I get on the bus and find a seat. I like sitting near the window. I watch the city pass by. Sometimes I listen to music. Other times I just relax. The bus ride takes about 20 minutes. Soon, I arrive at my workplace. I walk into the office building. I say good morning to the security guard. Then I take the elevator to the 3rd floor. This is where my office is. I arrive at my desk. I turn on my computer and sit down. First, I check my emails. Then I check my daily tasks. My job is busy, but I enjoy it. I write reports, send messages, and talk to clients. I also have short meetings with my coworkers. We help each other and work as a team. At 12:30, it is time for lunch. I leave my desk and go to the break room. I usually bring lunch from home. It's healthier and cheaper. I like rice with vegetables, sandwiches, or fruit. Sometimes I buy a small meal outside. Maybe a salad or soup. I eat lunch with my coworkers. We talk about simple things. We talk about the weather, movies, or weekend plans. Lunchtime helps me relax and feel happy. After lunch, I return to my desk. I drink some water or tea. Then I continue my work. I try to stay focused. The afternoon can feel long, but I do my best. I finish my tasks one by one. Time passes slowly but surely. Finally, the workday ends. At 5 o'clock, I turn off my computer. I pack my bag and say goodbye to my coworkers. I leave the office building and walk to the bus stop. The city feels quieter in the evening. The sky looks soft and calm. I take the bus home and sit quietly. I think about my day and relax my mind. When I arrive home, I take off my shoes. I change into comfortable clothes. I feel relaxed immediately. I sit on the sofa and rest for a few minutes. Sometimes I watch TV. Sometimes I read a book. Around 7 o'clock, I start making dinner. I cook simple food like pasta, rice, or vegetables. I play soft music while cooking. It makes me feel calm. After dinner, I wash the dishes and clean the kitchen. Then I enjoy my free time. I may call a friend or talk with my family. I like quiet evenings. They help me relax. Around 9:30, I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth slowly and wash my face. I change into my pajamas. They are soft and warm. I turn off the bright lights and turn on a small lamp. I read a few pages of a book. Reading helps me sleep better. Finally, I turn off the lamp. I lie down in bed. I take a deep breath and close my eyes. I feel thankful for the day. Tomorrow is a new beginning. Good night.